It's me, your girl Shay, with Shameless Yoga, and welcome to Shameless Motherfucking Yoga. Looks like Tohsaka wants to join us this morning. Drop your legs to your right and find a gentle twist. Take a deep breath in. And maybe you exhale over your left shoulder. One more exhale. Tohsaka, that is my face. Tohsaka, you are super in the way. Are you excited for yoga, Tohsaka? Oh, brother. I already don't like this. Take a deep breath in. And out. Two more. Inhale, table. Down dog. Plank pose. Okay. And with your exhale, travel to the top of your mat. Find your forward fold. Generous bend in your knees. Tuck your chin. Just falls. I do be wobbling and shaking. Rewarding you in a challenging place. I'm running out of breath. Whew. Ugh. Tohsaka, you're so good at upward facing dog. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Downward facing dog. Good job. You're so good at yoga. And if you've got a little doggo that's hanging out with you, give your dog pets for me. Give your pets pets for me. Yes. Again. She's so happy with herself. Don't mind my little dog as she pretends to throw up. Gently press yourself up. Hands behind you, soles of your feet in front of you. I cannot with you. You're so happy with yourself. You're so cute. I just cannot. I invite you to bring the soles of your feet together and love you, cuties. Have a good rest of your day.